welcome to Tricia's Makeup World. If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Tricia. I absolutely love playing around with colourful makeup, and today I'm trying a brand that I've been dying to try for ages called Flower Nose. I've got some of their Strawberry Cupid collection. It all came in this nice little bag, and I'm just going to start showing you the pieces. The packaging itself that it comes in, the cardboard boxes, is really nice as well. This is the first one, and this is the mirror. I mean, this is just absolutely beautiful. I'm like, why have I waited so long to try this brand? I've already put the little bow on because I had to have a little nosy at it, but it's absolutely stunning. Look at it, it's got strawberries on it, it's got a little Cupid on it. It's just stunning, absolutely stunning. And that's the first piece. The next piece I'm going to show you is this is the blush. So this is blush. Just take it out of its packaging, and it's like that again, really pretty. The detailing on it, and I'll show you. It just comes like this. It's like sort of a pinky shade. We will put that on. And then the next one I'm going to show you is lipstick. This looks like a cake. It does. It looks like a cake. This is really, really pretty. I mean, look at that. It looks like a cake. Oil screws at the top, so it looks like little strawberries and icing on the top. And it's like that. It's got a little applicator like that, and the colour is inside there. But when I first got it, I had to peel off to get into that. And a little brush goes in the middle. It's so cute. Really like the design of that. It's really nice. And last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette. It's like that again with a nice packaging, and it comes like that. I mean, how pretty is that? That is just beautiful. It's got like strawberries and little angels on it. It's just stunning. And open it up, and it's like that. It's really, really pretty. And we're just going to get stuck right in. I've already got my base face on, and I have got on my Revolution Skin Silk. And we're going to start off with the darkest shade here first. I'm just going to start putting it into the corners like so. Yeah, I've been dying to try this brand for so long. I wish I actually ordered more. I'm like, I wish I want it. You could get like more and it comes in like a box. I'm kind of wishing I did that now, so for future reference, that is what I'm probably going to do. Definitely. So I've had a few different collections. Like they've had Swan Ballet, they've had like a mermaid one, a garden. I can't remember all their names off the top of Strawberry Roco. They've had so many different ones that are really, really pretty. And I'm going to go into this one here. I'm just going to really lightly and bring that right into the corner. Do the same at the other side. I'm going to wipe that brush off. I'm going to go into the even lighter shade. It's even got on the actual colours, there's like really, really pretty indentations, like angel on the bigger. These two here have got angels on them, and then these ones have all got hearts on them. So pretty. I'll go into this shade here now, just to like that. And then I am going to go just in with my finger. We're going to start with this one here. And I'm just going to bring it over. I'll probably use the other shimmer as well. It's really, really pretty. I will put swatches at the end of the video. And I'm going to get this one here in the middle. I definitely need to try more from this brand. and so far, you know, the products are really, really nice. Yeah, I'm liking that a lot. That's really, really pretty. Next, we're going to take the blush. And I'm just going to do a couple of dabs on each side of the cheek. I don't know how pigmented this is going to be. And we're just going to, oh wow, yeah, pretty. Blend it in, do the same at the other side. It's melting into the skin really, really nicely and blending in so nice. Making this a lot, really, really nice. And then we're going to take the cake lipstick. Absolutely love this. There's so many other products as well. I think you can get like, look like cake slices when you open them up. It's like solid perfume, and you even get perfume in a spray bottle as well with all this collection. Really, really nice. Really nice shade as well, and it feels really, really nice on the lips. It's not too sticky and it's not too dry in either. It's really, really nice. Next, I'm going to take my Essence Lash Princess mascara and just applying a bit of length. Mainly to the bottom, to be honest, because we're ready to put some lashes on. Definitely need to try more from this brand, definitely. Just taking a pair of lashes and my Duo Lash Glue. I've saw this brand a few times, they have different releases, and I'm always being like, oh, I wonder what they'll be like, and I've watched a few reviews now and people are always like, oh, are you just paying for the packaging really? But a lot of people have said, you know, no, the products are actually really good, so here we are, and yeah, they are really, really good. And I don't know, I'm kicking myself now, I'm like, I should have ordered more. Glue on the finger. Oops. This is the final look using the Flower Nose Strawberry Cupid collection. Well, just bring out the palette again. This is absolutely beautiful. The packaging is just incredible, and do you know what, the mattes blend really, really nicely. The shimmers are maybe a little bit more like your traditional shimmers, but they're still very, very pretty. I really like it a lot. Really, really like it a lot. Really, really impressed with the blush. Blended in so well, and it was really, really nice. And even this lipstick as well. I really, really am liking it. It doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't feel like it's going to smudge or anything. It's really, really nice. Definitely need to try more from this brand in the future. I hope you've liked watching, and oh, do you want to just get in at the end, Pep? Come on then. Pep's coming on to say hi to everybody, aren't you? Come on then. I hope you've liked watching, and we will be back again very soon with a new video. If you're new to the channel, if you've liked this video, please like, please subscribe, it all helps. I will be back again, probably next week, Pepe, with a new video.